Christmas the jolliest, most wonderful time of the year. And this year, I will have a perfect Christmas.
You always say that every year, but it never happens.
Well, this year, it's going to happen.
Yeah? I doubt that.
Well, I have 101 presents. Is that enough? Do you think?
Yes.
So enough presents. Mince pies for Santa, carrots for his reindeer, candy canes, the stockings are hung, and the Christmas tree. Oh my gosh! I forgot the Christmas tree!
Isn't that... You gotta be kidding me. Christmas.